Lowe's is a really cool store that has been offering home improvement items for DIY enthusiasts for over 60 years, as they were first established back in 1946. They have evolved from a small store to now serving over 14 million happy customers every year, of which many of these millions of customers happily shop with a Lowe's credit card. Managing your Lowe's credit card. When it comes to managing the Lowe's Advantage card, it couldn't be easier. Simply use your Lowe's Advantage credit card login portal, which can be accessed from Lowes.com, to view and pay your bill securely. Online account management means you'll never have to miss your Lowe's Advantage credit card payment. Set up AutoPay so your payment is made automatically each month. If there's a task you can't do online, contact customer service 1-888-840-7651 for the help you need. Make payments online as well as by mail or at a local Lowe's store. Accepted forms of payment include physical or electronic checks, money orders, or similar payment instruments from a U.S. bank. Lowe's credit card payment methods. Lowe's makes it very easy for you to pay your credit card bills by offering various different methods of payment options, making it easy for all of their consumers to find a Lowe's credit card payment method that they are comfortable with. If you are looking for these methods, or want to see what they have to offer, below are the Lowe's credit card payment methods that are currently being offered that can be paid by either Visa, MasterCard, Discover and Immersion Express. Lowest credit card payment online. In order to pay online, you must first register on their site Lowe's credit card payment. You can register by first going to the drop-down link on the top right called Credit Center, which will be a drop-down menu where you will click the first option, Pay My Bill, which will then take you to another page stating New Users and Returning Users, and for the New Users section, there will be a Create an Account box which you will click on and follow the instructions that are demanded. If you already have an account, you will want to follow the above steps, but you will click on Returning Users on the left-hand side of the page. Lowe's credit card payment by phone. You can call 1-800-445-6937 to get in touch with Lowe's customer care, either an automated system or a person, which it is suggested that you can between 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday to Saturday and 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Sundays to speak to a live person. Note, either option may result in your paying a small transaction fee. Thanks for reaching the end of our video. Would you mind subscribing to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos? Also, if you can, give me like, comment and share with all your friends. Your help will be of vital importance for our growth. Thanks and see you later.